Hi guys, it's Shell. So I am starting already this morning. It's I don't think it's quite 8 o'clock, or maybe it is. I can't remember. Anyways, um, it is cold. I am hauling. This is all my kind of a section of junk journal papers that I pull from for my junk journals. So I have some here, some here. Had some here that I just emptied, and then some books there. So essentially this is mainly the thing that I'm pulling from. And I took my first load outside. Here is my second load in this box. I thought it'd be easier just to put it in a box, take it out, and organize it, at once, so I can stay on track and make sure that I know where things are. Well, it is cold outside. It is so cold outside that I couldn't feel my fingers after the first load. So what I'm doing is I'm going outside. I sorted them here instead of waiting until I get outside. So all these will go on one shelf, I think. And then I'll come back in and get warm again. But man, it's cold. We looked up the piece for that heater. It's only like 20 bucks. So I don't know why we haven't already done that. And even, the worst case scenario, if it's totally broken, we can buy a brand new heater for $175, I think, which I think it might be worth it. So we're going to see what we can do there. Of course, I'd rather pay the 20 bucks, but yeah, it's so cold out there. It was 34. It's now like 38, but I'm going to make another run outside, and I'll be back later. Okay guys, it's 11 o'clock now. I started 8:30, 8 or 8:30, I can't remember. Fixing to take a break. Here is kind of how I have the setup in the back bedroom. I just moved that card table over, and I'm hoping those will stay. The drawers will. If not, I'll have to rearrange them. I just thought, they all like to be near that window. And right now I think I'm just going to leave that shelf there just because I am totally exhausted. And I'll work on that, here and there. I kind of swept. You can't tell it. Our cats kind of like to play in the in the trash. So, still finding stuff that they knocked over. All those little cutout flowers and stuff that I need to pick up. This, cabinet is going outside. The box on the cabinet will go out there when it's warm, because that's like paints and stuff. And then this container will go there. We have some of Clint's carving stuff, and I'm just going to put those under this table over here. But I did move out the craft desk, but I just moved it into the kitchen. And I got hot really, really fast. So I'm now wearing shorts and no sweater. So yeah, I'm excited. This is almost done. I'm going to see if Clint will help me move the file cabinet, because what I typically do is I have all my paper in those sliding drawers. I have those on top of the file cabinet, and then I have like 5 containers of lace. And I think I have a good place for it, but I can't put anything else up like that, those containers, until the file cabinet's out there. So that is to be done. And yeah, here's some babies playing. Gracie Lynn and Wilberdine. So cute. But yeah, so it just looks like we're moving from this house. Do your houses look like that when you move? We haven't moved in 22 years. We moved here. And we'll be here until we die, but we love it. So, it still needs a lot of work, the house does and stuff, but, I refinished this room for my niece years ago when she would come and visit, and I kind of set it up like Mom said she felt like she was in a bed and breakfast. So it was really special. I really liked that. So now in here is just little cleanups and stuff. I'm going to sit and just take a break for a little bit, catch my breath, and then I'll go back outside and make room so we can bring in the file cabinet and the desk. So, see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I now have pretty much all my cubby holes uh, filled. I have a couple more things in the house in that set of shelves that I need to bring out, but that's going to be later when I can get over there. But yeah, pretty much everything except for the stuff that, you know, we use in the living room when we're doing videos and stuff is in here now. So that's kind of exciting. It's about 1 o'clock on Monday. And look at this mess. I can't wait until we kind of have it together. Clint's probably an hour, 2 hours out. So my plan is to just work on this until he gets home. Because I know he's already messaged me, called me, and said, don't work too much because tomorrow's going to be a really, really busy day. But he's not here, so I'm going to do it and see what I can get done. And then when he gets home, he's going to help me move out my craft desk, which I'm going to put right there. It's not that heavy, it's just really bulky, and it's just easier for 2 people. So yeah, I'm going to have to make a room there. And like I said, the file cabinet, I still need to bring that out. And that's really heavy unless I take everything out of it. So I'm going to have him help me with that too. And then a bunch of that stuff right there, the black and those clear containers will go on top of that file cabinet. So yeah, so when you see me, hopefully I will have made a pretty good dent in here. So see you in a minute. Okay guys, we are back and I'm finished for today. Clint is moving the truck. We just brought the desk out. He bought me this 2 years ago, Christmas I think. And I really wanted it out here before I moved my, you know, everything we've been working on. So my ephemera books and, you know, junk journal stuff, things like that. It's going to be perfect because I can put my light over here to the side. And that's usually how I record. And then it kind of hangs over the top of the desk. So I'm getting so excited. So let me show you what I did. It doesn't look, did I show you guys? It does not look like I got a lot done, or at least to me it doesn't. That big box of yarn and stuff will go up above, so that's going out of here. And then those 3 containers, that's more yarn. So I'm going to have to find Rubbermaids to put all this yarn in so that it's well protected and upstairs because it's expensive yarn. So yeah, it's been a big job. I'm not going to move the file cabinet out yet, but see how I have the black paper that set up? That's usually on top of the file cabinet, and then the stack beside it is on top of that. I'm not sure how high in here I can go, but that's kind of, those on the side are lace. I think I already have 2 or 3 containers of lace in those over there today. A big bag of trash. So this is probably it until later this week. But I kind of wanted to get it done while I had time, because tomorrow, well, Tuesday, when you see this, we have like a really long, like half-day job to do. So yeah, this is where we're at now. Clint's going to help me clean up, I think, the back bedroom. But yeah, I got all this stuff. This is my junk journal papers. So when I'm looking for papers to put in my junk journals, I'll come here. I have tons of like ledger papers and things like that. And then these are like music sheets, poems, really old ones, things like that. Papers here, specialty papers here. and up here, specialty papers. And that's just like Edith Holden and, you know, ones that I keep for myself. Maybe some that some of my friends have made me and given me. And then I have a couple of places I still need to sort through, but right now I'm just trying to get it some semblance so I can kind of get a little bit organized. It's really overwhelming right now, but I'm starting to feel better about it. And now that I have the desk, I think I can get more stuff like out of the living room, put out here, and then we can kind of figure out where we're going to go, probably this weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button to see how this turns out. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.